Let us solve this problem from solid state. The question is like this: the number of atoms per unit cell in simple cubic, face centered uh, cubic, and body centered cubic are. You are given with the options. So to find this one, let us see this diagram. This is of simple cubic, and here you can see in simple cubic arrangement, all the atoms are arranged in the corners of a cube. So of the corners of the cube, of if you take one cube, there will be only 1 by 8th part of it will be the part of this cube. So only this part, the shaded part, will be part of this cube. So that is 1 by 8th part of one cube. Totally we have spheres. Totally we have 8 spheres. So 1 by 8 into 8 will be equal to 1. So for simple cubic there will be only 1. Now if you come to the body centered cubic, similarly you can see there are 8 spheres on each corners. So again from those contribution it will be 1 by 8 into 8 will be equal to 1, and there is a center sphere you can see in the green color, and that sphere is exactly the part of this uh, unit cell itself. So from that part you will be having 1 into 1, so this will be 1, so the total there will be 2. Now for a face-centered cubic, as you can see, similarly there will be spheres on the 8 corners. So that will be equal to 1 by 8 into 8. That will be equal to 1. Now, if you see the face centered, on each faces there will be one sphere, extra sphere, and that sphere, half of that part will be of this particular unit cell, and the remaining half will be the part of the other unit cell, the right next to this one. So from each spheres on the faces, half of that one will be here. So how many faces? So it will be 1 by 2, and how many such spheres will be there? Since in a cube there will be 6 faces, it will be 1 by 2 into 6, so that will be equal to 3. So for face centered cubic there will be 3 plus 1, there will be 4. Now you see the option. It is asked simple cubic, face-centered cubic, and body-centered cubic. For simple cubic, it will be 1. Face-centered cubic, it will be 4. And body-centered cubic, it will be 2. So your right option will be 1, 4, 2, the first option.